Origami. Origami is a very ancient Japanese art of paper become an important part of Japanese culture. Paper cranes of peace. There is a Japanese legend which says that whoever folds 1,000 paper cranes will live a long life. This legend took a new and poignant significance in the world with the death of a 12-year-old girl, Sadako Sasaki, who was born in 1943. On 6th August 1945, a B-29 bomber dropped the world's first atomic bomb on Hiroshima. The terrible after effects of the atomic bomb claimed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people. Sadako Sasaki was one of those victims. She found to be suffering from leukemia, the cancer of blood. She wanted to recover, so she started holding paper cranes of peace. But she could manage only 644 cranes and died on 25th October 1955. Her classmates and family folded the remaining 356 cranes to bury with her. Whoever know about the gracious courage of this, her friends were determined that she should be remembered. So many young people contributed money for the project. And in 1958, a statue of Sadako Sasaki holding a penguin was unveiled in Hiroshima Peace Park.